What's up, Pickle Peeps? Welcome to day 12 of the 100K Sprint series. Today, kind of a disappointing day in most ways, but it's just like I get through it. It's a Monday. So we're gonna get right to the point because my big goal of the day is to be in bed by 10 o'clock. We're gonna see if we can do this. So, emails today, goose eggs. SMS, we got 1 on the SMS list. Yes, that's a start. I know a lot of people would be like, oh my god, you did this whole campaign, you talked about it yesterday, you sent this email, and you got 1 reply? That's better than 0! I operate under the, God, I swear it was a book. I used to see it on the end caps at like Barnes & Noble. It's like 1 is greater than n or something. I've tried to research it afterwards and I have never found this. I swear I didn't imagine it. But the whole premise of the book is 1 is better than nothing. You can't operate off of a 0. You can't do anything, but you can get 1. So, like, I looked at this, I was like, yes, 1, it's a start. It's better than 0. We're moving forward, so we got 1. However, on sales, we got a goose eggs on that too. So that's the numbers for the day. And I'll just straight up say, today is like mostly about existing. I've had headaches and just like bleh all day long. Definitely a little bit of overwork. I am not used to all these late nights. I won't lie. This video series, while pulling me back to the studio again and again and again and again. Like, you guys have no idea how many nights I'm like, shit, the YouTube video. I gotta come and record this for you guys. It has also pushed me to be up way later than I usually am. I usually try to be in bed by like 11:30 is usually the goal. And it has been far too many nights in a row of like 1 in the morning. So I am going to try to catch up on some sleep and see if it feels better and if I can get a little bit more productive tomorrow. So, and it's not that I wasn't productive today. So today was definitely a more behind the scenes day. I had Mondays are a stacked meeting day for me. So we have coffee chat in the morning, which is awesome. I have my big domino call, which I did miss this morning. And then we do Q&A sessions for my course Trunk Show Secrets, all about how to sell through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Lives, how to make your own QVC show, basically. And so we ran Q&A for that and had a lot of really cool things going on. And then after that, just like my day is kind of a haze, but that's okay. So a lot of existing going on. Still here, all good. We got orders out, so like that's great. Might not be getting new ones in today, but we did get orders out. We fixed the SMS link. I was able to talk to my buddy Andrew George. He does awesome stuff with email. He's a master of collab. If you have questions about that, like definitely check him out. I know he's linked on my general YouTube channel. But he helped me understand some stuff with SMS that I wasn't understanding just from the Klaviyo training that I got. So he helped with that. That was awesome. And then the other like really cool thing that happened today, which I kind of saved a little bit of unboxing for you guys, wasn't sure if I was going to do the unboxing or not for this, is these guys. Now, you're like, Melissa, what the hell? These are the sample boxes I ordered for MIFGE. Yes, for MIFGE and the subscription box. So like I said, we moved MIFGE. It's probably going to launch on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, Black Friday. It's not the ideal what I wanted to do, but I think that's what we're going to do. And this is a tester, so let's open it up and see if these will work. What is the best way to open this bag? This packaging here. Let's see. Got our handy dandy scissors. Boop. I have other things sitting waiting to be unboxed. There's one right there. But we're not getting to that kind of stuff today. So, let's see. Is there an easy way to, like, unplastic and tape this? Kind of wanted to see if we could just, like, pull one box out. Let's see about that. While I'm doing that, other super cool thing that happened today is when I was at Funnel Hacking Live, which this shirt is totally Funnel Hacking Live. I'll admit, I like last year's design better. This is a little... When you're female, on guys, this shirt looks great. When you're female and letter placement with big text is just enhanced, we'll go with that. So, not my favorite shirt, but that's okay. It's long sleeves because it turned cold here. But anyway, while I was at FHL and standing in line for the 2CCX Inner Circle, like all of the higher coaching programs party, we went to SeaWorld. It was totally cool. Russell rented out SeaWorld for us. So awesome. Ta-da! But while I was online, started chatting with this lady, Tamika, who, like, first off, has the most addicting energy. She's got such a huge smile, huge personality. And as we were talking, we found out that we live literally 15 minutes away from each other. 15 minutes. My new business, BFF, 15 minutes away. I was like, are you kidding me? What? Most of the people I know in the program that I am great friends with, they're all across the country. Tamika is 15 minutes away. So she's messaging me, like, just actually before we got onto shooting this video. And FHL was in the end of September. We are just finally scheduling a meetup now. And it's approaching the middle of November. Okay, so other things for FHL would be MIFGE. So here we have our box. Woo! Let's see. So they come like more folded than I thought they would, really. And we're gonna see basically how stuff fits. So I don't know. I haven't done this yet. I don't know what how the best way to do this is. So I think there were instructions. Not that I paid attention, but that's okay. Ooh, let's see. You guys are probably laughing at me. That's all right. You can laugh. Woo. This takes a little coordination. No, I never worked in a pizza shop before. Okay. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do this facing you guys for right now, but let's see how this works out. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, we got that part in. That down. That down. That down. And boom. Oh my god. I love it. Look at that. Like, we got a sticker, boom, on the top about, like, make your life epic or something. I don't know. We haven't ordered anything else yet or designed much else, but we got the boxes. That was, like, number 1. And the stickers on the box might come later. That's okay. It doesn't have to be immediate. This is phase 1. This is draft 1. So it's we'll say draft 1, edition 1 of the MIFGE. And, like, oh my god, who wouldn't be excited to get this box in the mail, right? Like, it feels really good. Ugh. And let's see, how does my jewelry fit in here? So when I had first, like, thought about boxes, I thought they had to be, like, huge. And then I'm taking the Launch Your Box course by Sarah Williams. It's totally awesome. She speaks a little slow. She's definitely got that southern drawl, which is wonderful. It's great. I listen to her at 2.5 speed. Unless I'm doing a click by click, and then it's like 1.8. Video speed controller. If you need to speed your videos up, I'll have a link for that down below. Maybe if I remember. If I forget, somebody comment, remind me, and I'll edit in here. Okay, so this is my typical jewelry box. And when I send out my MIFGE for the Wings of Fire necklace, this is the size box it comes in. So we have our regular box. We'll have my jewelry box in there. And then we actually have plenty of room. And this is what I was just like, because depending on what people order, we have room for 2 jewelry boxes. And I bet, I don't have the rest of whatever, I have a lid. Ooh, can we? No, we can't really fit the earring boxes in the back. Okay, that's all right. So we can fit 2 jewelry boxes. I can put earrings in organza bags and put them in the back. And we can do all of our flat lace stuff. We can wrap the whole thing in tissue paper and make a really luxurious experience for these boxes. And still have all the room necessary to, boom. So I started to say, I was going to do, like, bubble mailers. That's what I do right now, is everything is bubble mailers. But she was talking about the perceived value of a box versus a poly mailer, a bubble mailer, all that stuff. Now, if you do flat pack things, if you do t-shirts and whatnot, like, poly mailers are fine. Totally. But this is really cool, and it ups the value. So it doesn't matter, you can have the same contents in a mailer as you would in a box, but make your box like the absolute minimum dimensions that you would need for your stuff. So, like, if I was sending out, if I did my regular earrings, would be in that little kind of box, would be a box like this size. So if I did earrings in there. I have tons of room. I could put a scarf. I could put a tote bag. I could put like whatever kind of extra item I could think of could totally go in here. They're going to get stickers. They're going to get a VIP VIP access pass. They're going to have the golden ticket coupon code, and the whole point is to make sure that I fill up as much space in this box as possible. There's going to be a printed quote card that'll go on the bottom, because if the box is full, that's the other part of perceived value. So 2 parts in here, perceived value. Box, no matter how small it is. And then make sure you stuff it. No empty packaging here. We don't want empty packaging. But yeah, ta-da! So I'm very excited about this. I got to unbox that. We unboxed the box that we had to put together the box of with you guys. And that is about it for tonight. I'm so excited about this. As we move further into MIFGE, I'll definitely be giving you guys all the behind the scenes as I'm building that out. And the other thing that was supposed to launch today was gifting week. And just, I realized my back end was more of a mess than I expected. I found a couple of things like that. Like my Shopify store is a mess. I totally get that, but it was a mess at a level beyond a mess that I expected. And I'm going to be paring down my gifting week a little bit from looking at 5 to 7 items to just doing 3 items a day that we're going to focus on for that. And that will now launch tomorrow. And my big goal for tomorrow is to have all of gifting week planned out, set, and done. And then we might drop the under 25 day from this so we can still finish on Sunday. Sunday was supposed to be under 25, so we'll just move everything a day, and we can keep the rest of the plan. And I can put gifts at 25 and under during my 12 days of Christmas. So that's an easy move right there. But I think I really needed a bit of a mental health day, because yesterday was cookies and the Chris Tricky party was not a mental health day. It was a make hundreds of cookies day. Come on, you guys know if any of you have families that make hundreds of cookies. We literally in my family do a cookie day near Christmas. Last story. Not even a story, but we do a cookie day. And on our best year, we made, I believe, 17 different types of cookies. Now, you must understand, my family used to cater. So when I say that we are making cookies, I mean we have tubs of each flavor and type of cookies. Everything from your basic chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, sugar cookies, Russian tea cakes, also called Mexican wedding cakes, also called tons of other things. That's like one of my favorites. We do a nut roll one. We have the jam-filled tarts. We do, oh my god, so many different kinds of cookies. It's insanity. But yeah, just like that. It's like, that's not a rest day. That is a marathon day. And I'm going to leave it at that. So guys, tomorrow coming into update, we should be all good for gifting week. And I'll be able to tell you how that is going, what happens. As I give myself permission to pare down my intentions. My intentions were to have 5 to 7 pieces for each day of gifting week. I am going to knock it down to 3. Why? It's what I can do at capacity right now with all of the crazy marketing that I have going on. I would rather put out a simpler message to my fans than a crazy one. And still, we are definitely cheering on that one SMS subscriber. Go Dawn! My dragon lady. All right, guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. Until then, you have a good one. Stay epic. Keep it rolling. Let's survive Q4. Not just survive. Let's thrive Q4.